What time do you start work, Mike?
I start at 9 a.m., Tom.
Why do you arrive early?
To avoid traffic and prepare.
When's our morning meeting usually?
It starts at 10:30 a.m. sharp.
How long does the meeting last?
About 30 minutes, not too long.
Where do we have lunch?
Usually, in the break room downstairs.
Why not go out for lunch?
Save time and money, Tom.
What do you do after lunch?
Continue work, maybe check emails.
When's a good time for a break?
Around 3 p.m., short coffee break.
Why not take a longer break?
Deadlines approaching, need to focus.
What time do you finish work?
Around 5:30 p.m., sometimes 6 p.m.
Where do you usually go after?
Straight home, relax and unwind.
When do you usually sleep?
Around 10:30 p.m., need my rest.
How often do we have team meetings?
Once a week, every Wednesday.
Why not more frequent meetings?
Efficiency, so everyone can work.
What's your favorite part of the day?
I enjoy the quiet mornings, Tom.
When do you plan for the next day?
Before leaving, set priorities straight.
Why not plan in the morning?
Mornings are for executing plans.
What's the most challenging task?
Handling unexpected issues, always a challenge.
Where do you see improvement possible?
Communication can be more streamlined.
How do you manage stress at work?
Deep breaths, short breaks, and focus.
When do you feel most productive?
In the morning, right after coffee.
What advice do you have for me?
Stay organized, take breaks, and prioritize.
Where can I improve my routine?
Time management, it's crucial, Tom.
Why do you love your job?
Challenges keep it interesting, never boring.
What time do you start work, Mike? Why do you arrive early? When's our morning meeting usually? How long does the meeting last? Where do we have lunch? Why not go out for lunch? What do you do after lunch? When's a good time for a break? Why not take a longer break? What time do you finish work? Where do you usually go after? When do you usually sleep? How often do we have team meetings? Why not more frequent meetings? What's your favorite part of the day? When do you plan for the next day? Why not plan in the morning? What's the most challenging task? Where do you see improvement possible? How do you manage stress at work? When do you feel most productive? What advice do you have for me? Where can I improve my routine? Why do you love your job?
I start at 9 a.m., Tom. To avoid traffic and prepare. It starts at 10:30 a.m. sharp. About 30 minutes, not too long. Usually, in the break room downstairs. Save time and money, Tom. Continue work, maybe check emails. Around 3 p.m., short coffee break. Deadlines approaching, need to focus. Around 5:30 p.m., sometimes 6 p.m. Straight home, relax and unwind. Around 10:30 p.m., need my rest. Once a week, every Wednesday. Efficiency, so everyone can work. I enjoy the quiet mornings, Tom. Before leaving, set priorities straight. Mornings are for executing plans. Handling unexpected issues, always a challenge. Communication can be more streamlined. Deep breaths, short breaks, and focus. In the morning, right after coffee. Stay organized, take breaks, and prioritize. Time management, it's crucial, Tom. Challenges keep it interesting, never boring.